When you're measuring liquids with a graduated cylinder, it's important that you read from the meniscus. When you look at the liquid level in the cylinder, it's going to make a downward curve, and you want to read from the bottom of that curve. And in this larger cylinder, each little line that you see is 1 milliliter apart. So you read the total number of milliliters that you have, but you'll notice sometimes the meniscus doesn't line up exactly on one of the marks. So you estimate the next digit. So for example, if it's filled up to the 80 and then it goes a little bit above that, you might say 80.5 milliliters. It's important to estimate that final digit. When you move to a smaller cylinder, the advantage is that the lines get further apart from each other, which makes it easier to estimate that final digit. Now you might be able to tell that it's 80.2 or 80.3 milliliters. When you go to the smaller 25 milliliter cylinder, the same thing happens. The lines get further apart from each other, which makes it easier to estimate the final digit. And in the 10 milliliter cylinder that you see, all the little lines there are tenths of a milliliter, which means we can accurately record to the milliliters and tenths of a milliliters, so that estimated final digit would be hundredths of a milliliter. It's important to record the number of whole units that you can measure and then estimate one more digit.